I hope you all have found the team to start thinking about what kind of interesting project you want to undertake. So the first task for your team to deliver is a part of your the final group project proposal, which is to come up with a project ideas and write into a proposal. To make sure that you know how to do it, I'm using a template with a link. If you click on that, here, the link is about follow the step to conduct an effective project kickoff meeting. What you need to do is using the template, project kickoff meeting agenda. And there are lots of heading with lots of missing information. What you need to do is try to complete the project kickoff meeting agenda and fill with as much information as you can based on your group discussion. You may ask, there's still information that we don't know at this point. That's fine. That's a kind of what the chapter 1 we're talking about called progressive elaboration. As the time moves forward, with more idea and research being conducted related to your project, now you again better understanding about filling out the information. And then you can come back and try to improve the documents. But for the first deliverable, what you need to do is to complete this project kickoff meeting agenda. There are 3 things I like to emphasize. The first one is the project managers. You need to discuss together as a team and elect a person called project manager who will be the one primarily in charge of coordination, conflict resolution, and any communication issue that may surface and need to be reconciled. The person is important. You can either have one person dedicated to this position, or you can have each person in a team take turns, depending on what deliverable will be asked you then. And of course, if you don't like his or her performance, make sure you discuss with him, confront with him. If necessary, the team can fire him too. But another thing I want you to focus on is called goals and deliverables. Deliver project all about looking at the project and kind of dividing them into more manageable deliverables. And that's why here you have to be as specific as possible about what kind of goal and deliverable you'll be able to achieve. To make sure you know how to do that, if you go back to the previous screens in your submission area, and here I specifically ask you to read 2 additional documents. One is called writing SMART goal. The goal you are writing in your proposal had to be SMART. I'll tell you what that means. And then there's another section in the project proposal about the assumption and risk. So I want to make sure what to write about that. Those are the item in the project proposal that's the most confusing. And I want to make sure we are clear on that. So now here I have a document as you learn under class 3. You click on the link. That's what the SMART goal. So developing some goal is critical to managing your own and your employees' performance. And what you have to learn by completing a project proposal is the goal you're writing has to be SMART. SMART, okay, it's an acronym of 5 words. The first word called specific. The goal had to be simplicity written and clear define what you're going to do. What, why, and how of the SMART models. So here you have the examples. Here you have an example. So to be specific, for instance, if you simply say, my goal is to write a term paper. For me, it's not specific enough. Why? Because the term paper could be 2 pages, could be 10 pages, could be 20 pages, or could be a thesis, 200 pages. The time you'll be needing and resource you'll be needing and the budget you'll be needing will be totally different. That's why specific is so important when you're stating your goal. Measurables. As I just pointed out, try to quantify the project, the goal of your projects. If you're writing 20 pages, you have to be specific enough. You even have to be specific enough about how you would know that you are behind the schedule. So you say, okay, my 20-page, include introduction, body, and conclusion. And so for my introductions, I plan to finish by the end of February. And for my body, I plan to finish by the end of March. So that's measurable, achievable. If you're saying I'm going to write a thesis and win 1 week, that's not achievable. So when people look at your goal, they want to make sure it's not overstated and you are not stretching yourself too far. Without the focus, you want to make sure that the result could be there was some tangible result, like building a house, getting a permit. You need to have a certificate showing that you already have a permit. Time. Make sure every goal you have or deliver you specific have has a specific day, month, tied to it. Okay. If you don't know for sure about exactly how much time you'll be needing at this point until you do further research, now you can simply give a range of date and time until you can verify. The second document I want to explain to you is called assumption and risks. Assumption and risk are two sides of the coin. Assumption basically is something that you are not certain until you verify or until it's proven otherwise. For example, if you are trying to run a concert, outdoor concert project, the worst thing you want to have is raining, right? Big snow, any inclement weather. But since you don't know at this point, no one will know. Only it's a nature. So what you have to do is you just make the assumption, assuming at the time the weather will be nice for us to host outdoor concerts. If not, then you have a contingencies plan. That's another story. They'll do the indoor stadium instead. So what you need to do is, for this first deliverable, is work together with your team and come up with your project proposal by not only completing the documents, the project kickoff meeting agenda by using its template, but also making sure that you fill out the questionnaire because SMART goal. And then incorporate, add that goal, based on the question into your project proposal. So if you can complete the project kickoff meeting agenda, then you will get a perfect score, 10 out of 10. Let me know if you have a question. Otherwise, enjoy working with your team, getting to know each other, and start moving forward. And the first deliverable I like to see, measurable, specific thing I like to see is to get a deliverable by the end of tonight.